It's time to call the winner of the great APQS Quilt Forever Contest. The lucky winner is going to receive a Millie valued at $19,700. I sure hope the winner's home. Let's give it a try.
Hello?
Is Pamela there, please?
This is Pam.
Hey, Pam, it's Dawn Cavanaugh with APQS.
No freaking way.
Well, yeah, wait.
Oh my God.
You
I'm so
are the
excited.
winner. Yep, you're the winner. You've won an APQS Millie.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I can tell you're just a little excited.
I am extremely excited. I could not believe this. When I saw that 515 come up, I didn't even know what to do. I won a Millie.
You won a Millie. I'm so glad you answered.
Millie.
You won a Millie. Are you dancing right now?
I am at the hospital with my mother who has been in surgery.
Oh.
It is 9 o'clock at night.
Oh,
It's been a horrible day, and this is just like the icing on the cake.
oh. Well, it's just all working out for you today then, Pam. I hope things are going okay for your mom.
Oh, she did well. She is the strongest woman I know.
Awesome.
She's good.
That's awesome. Well, I'm glad we can make your day a little brighter towards the end of it here.
I am going home and celebrate.
That's great. Woohoo!
Oh my God. I still can't believe it. I have entered like for the past 2 years every day.
Every day? Well, it pays to be persistent, doesn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how great.
Yes, ma'am.
Why, sure, I'm excited for you, too.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You bet. Well, listen, I know you're busy at the hospital and things. I won't keep you, but we will be in touch probably early next week to kind of iron out the details and let you know what's going on.
Awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do the happy dance. You're the winner.
I'm dancing in the hallway. People are looking at me like I'm crazy.
That a girl. You go get them.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Pam.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye. Well, you can see it pays to answer your phone. Congratulations to Pam. What a way to end the night after her mom was having surgery, to have good results for her mom and even greater results for Pam. Be sure to enter our next APQS Quilt Forever giveaway because we could be calling you.